Alright, so I said yesterday we were reviewing part of the test, like the first half. So yesterday we were looking at the first part, the first half of the test. Today we're looking at the second half. That way you guys are ready for it tomorrow. Looking at the first four questions, it says name the vertex and the sides of each angle. The vertex is the corner, which is a point. So in my case, for question number one, is point H. Right, that's the vertex. The sides are two rays. In my case, are the ray HG and the ray HI. And that's pretty much it. Make sure that tomorrow, when you guys take the test, make sure on the rays, you guys are putting the ray symbol on top. I'm talking about the little ray symbol. Make sure you guys are putting the ray symbol. If you guys just get right HG with nothing on top, that is incorrect. You guys write the arrow, right? You guys have to write the arrow on top. Yeah. So make sure you guys have it. And also make sure you guys have the correct order. What I mean with correct order, like if you guys were to write GH, that would be incorrect. Right? Because that's not true. So make sure you guys have the correct order and make sure you have the arrow on top. Any questions on the first four? Yeah. Alright, let's take a look at question number 5. Daisy. Looking at question number 5, says stated the given point is interior, exterior on the angle. So first, I draw my arc right for my angle. Anything in here it is interior. Obviously, anything out is exterior. So for number 5, my answer will be exterior because the point is outside. Right? It could be on the angle. All right. Any questions up until number 8? Yes. Number 9. I'll get to number 9 in a minute. Anything up until number 8? No? Number 7. Let's take a look at question number 7. Guys, what do I get for 7? Interior, exterior, on the angle? Interior. All right, because there's the space in there. Anything in there is interior. So in this case, interior. All right, let's take a look at number 9 now. First, it says write the name of each polygon. Let me count how many sides are there. I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to say there are 10 sides. How do we call the polygon with 10 sides? Decagon. Right? So we're going to go decagon. The spelling, I'm not gonna talk to you guys point for the spelling, but make sure that you're like I understand what you meant. All right. Any questions up until number 12? Number 10. Let's take a look at number 10. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. How do we call a polygon with 4 sides? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Once again, the spelling, I'm not going to deduct it, but make sure I understand what you mean. Take a look at question number 13. Stating if each polygon is concave or convex. First, I'm trying to prove it concave. I'm trying to find it to be concave. In order for this to be concave, one diagonal goes outside of the picture. One diagonal. So I'm trying to see if it's concave, and I look for my diagonals. There's one diagonal, there's another one there. And there's a 5th one there. All my diagonals are inside. So I was not able to prove that it's concave. So I'm going to call this convex. Right? If one diagonal goes out, then concave. Because first of all, I'm trying to prove it concave. If I'm not able to prove it concave, then it's convex. Right. Any questions up until 16? Right. Let's take a look at number 17. It says classify each triangle by its angles inside. So I'm looking for two classifications. By angles, I'm looking at the biggest angle, in this case 73. Right, from the angles, I'm looking at the biggest one of the three. What type of angle is 73? It's acute, so we're going to call this acute. Remember, we give it the name of the biggest angle, 70. In this case, like looking at number 17, my sides are all different. How do we call it when all the sides are different? Scaling. So it's acute scaling. Right? Acute for the angles, scaling for the sides. So I'm looking for two names. Any questions up until 20? No? Alright. Take a look at number 21. Classify the following as a segment, ray, or line. I notice it has arrows only on one side. So that's a ray. Remember, a line will have arrows on both sides. Segments don't have arrows. Just segments. Alright, any questions? Right, tomorrow, like it's the day of the test. Anything you guys owe me, make sure you guys turn it in by tomorrow in your period. Don't want to see you guys after 7th period in your period. Let me take roll really quick before the little again.